Hi everyone, this is EJ with the Expert SEO Group. I want to go over a quick tutorial here how to add someone as manager to your Google business profile listing. And we're just going to go right into it here. You click up here and you go down to your business profile, click that, and then you'll see all the listings that the profiles that you have control over or manager over. But what you'll do is, I'm going to use mine as an example. You're going to go into profile here. Now come down to users. Click users, and then you'll see where you can add managers. You want to click add user. After you enter the email address of the person you want to give access to as manager, you want to choose a role for them right here, and you want to choose manager. You want to make them manager, and then you just click invite, and this will send them a message, and all they have to do is click that link and accept, and they'll be a manager in your account and can do what they need to do. Alright, it's that simple. Hope this helped. Let me know if you have any issues, and on to the next one. Thank you.